Okay, Jeremy here, Jeeps Unlimited, 303-666-9020. Listing a YJ Tub 87 to 95, and these can be adapted to a CJ7 frame as well fairly easily. I have a video online showing the frame comparisons. This is a grade B tub. It's rust free. Does have little dings, cosmetic damage on the outside, but there's absolutely no rust in the sidewalls or the underneath. As you can see, I'm showing you the underneath for now because I'm gonna lower it down. I just took photos, put those up online too. These are the areas here that are usually people's main concern because they mount to the frame when that water doesn't drip. I just washed it. Fender wheels are nice and clean. Corners are good. They're a little dinged up, but otherwise they're rust free. These areas here, the sun might be blocking that one right there. And then that guy, and then you got the two here. You can see the threads are nice and shiny, just like we like them, underside. So these came out from the West Coast a few weeks. This one's a little bit bent in, so you probably want to push that down or pry that down. Coming down to this side, nice clean there. And then that guy, that pretty much speaks for itself. That one's clean too, so no broken. A lot of times they'll break off too. These ones are nice and clean, so they're ready to rock. Just so we're here, there's a couple dings. This is kind of what makes it a B, just from moving around the yard a few times. Otherwise, it's a really, really nice. So I'm gonna make this video kind of short because I made the last one too long, and it's like literally taking, we're out here in the country, and it's taking its sweet time to upload. And if I'm not careful, it'll be next week before I get these tubs we're putting up today. Beautiful day here in Grand Junction. So, okay, here's top side. Another area that gets beat up is cowls. This is actually really clean. This area loves to rust out in it. It's got a little bit of scaling on the top, but no cancer, rotting, anything like that. A good wire brush will clean that up. And it might be hard to see down through there, but no through and through rust or anything like that on that area. This here has got a crack in it, so you'll want to fix that. It's for the seat bracket. That's pretty common on these, especially what usually happens, and this one did. It had a seat bracket that was loose, and then they pivot, and then they basically work themselves out. But that's pretty easy to clean up. I'm just showing you everything on it so you know exactly what you're getting as far as the bad stuff. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory. I didn't see any real filler or anything in it. It might have had a touch of filler at one point in it, but nothing in the corners. That corner's near perfect. That's factory holes. They're a little bit wallowed out there where the spare tire carrier went. Tailgate hinge holes, those are good. Nothing's broken off there. That one, I don't think this thing had anything broken. I think that's got a rock. Yeah, it's got a little rock sitting down in there. And it's hard to see, but that's not a broken one either. Those two are nice and clean. I'll pull that rock out. Those are clean. Those are other areas that like to go. That one's dinged there. We've seen that from the bottom side. There's a driver's side coming up through here. This is where I thought they might have glazed a little bit of filler to maybe glaze out the paint or something there, but it could just be a thicker paint used there too. It's nice clean underneath. It's bare metal there. I just hit that with the pressure washer, and it's like a 3800 PSI, so it blasts them off there. Coming down through here, that's all nice and clean. That side's really good shape. Let's see, floorboards. Clean. Again, same thing that this is doing up here. It's starting to get a little scale. So you've seen the bottom side is clean. So I definitely get that treated, get that cleaned up a little bit, and then coated or something. There's your roll bar holes there. Factory, those are thread. You know, everything's good there for your roll bar mounts, and that one as well. This is another area I usually suggest treating. It's nice and solid there. But if you don't watch it, that will trap moisture, and that usually is like one of the areas they like to rot out. So 303-666-9020, Jeremy at jeepsunlimited.net is my email, and of course the website is jeepsunlimited.net. You can view this tub and maybe others like it. Pretty slim pickings these days. They sell pretty quick, but nonetheless, always give us a call. Usually can get you something in. Otherwise, if you see anything I miss, questions, comments, concerns, let me know, and enjoy it. Thank you.